Welcome to the rain.
Endless grind. Comment, like, subscribe.
Well, guys, it's a shitty day outside. It's raining. It's better than snowing, but it's raining. Yeah. No flood in the basement as of yet, but we're working on it. Haven't heard back from the music shop on the music gear. Heard back from the disaster place, and they're not gonna. He's gonna try and get everything back to us today or tomorrow with some lists. So that's handy. We're at the grocery store to get something. We're not sure what, but something. Bobby keeps
cravings for something.
She's not pregnant.
Oh.
Are you pregnant? Are you pregnant, honey?
No.
And I said that in jest. You know, Matt is old and there's clearly a language barrier.
Who's that?
Yeah, she knows the word hero.
Keller?
I'm sure
And
she
Riker.
heroes. You know what? She
Yeah.
probably learned how to speak English when she was like 7.
All right, well, we're
Jess?
both heroes.
Who's
I'm
that?
grateful for education.
No, you don't want that.
Who's that?
It was all
Hey.
onions and whiskers.
Oh.
Oh, wait a second.
Riker.
It's probably
Who's that?
Like when I grew that mustache, huh?
But it tickled.
Who's that? Who's that? Who is it? Who is it?
Say Riker.
Raker!
Is that Riker?
Is that Riker?
We like her. Like that. Raker. How are you?
He's like, get the hell out of here. I'm trying to talk.
No.
Is it Riker? Riker. Who is it? Who is it? Is it Riker? Riker.
Riker. Riker. Looks like he's got blood on his shirt, but it's ice cream.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Wave. Say bye. Wave to the camera and say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
We like Heather. We like Heather.
Look at his ass hanging
Like
out.
Heather.
Kelly, get your hand out of your ass.
Like Heather.
Say see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
So it's finally somewhat stopped raining. It's just like a little mist now. I'm going to call the video over. Snow's basically gone except for like where it's been plowed up. And yeah, got a good response on the Andy Pandy video last night. Thank all the new subscribers for their support. Thank Chinwort for the shout out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.